Xylanase cuts arabinoxylan hemicellulose into soluble xylose sugars, unlocking performance across grain-based processes. In baking, Xylanase redistributes water held by arabinoxylans, helping dough rise higher with a softer, more even crumb. In animal feed, Xylanase breaks cereal fiber that thickens the gut, lowering viscosity so nutrients become easier to absorb. In paper pulp, Xylanase opens xylene-rich hemicellulose for biobleaching with less chlorine, and in brewing or starch processing, it releases bound sugars. At molecular scale, Xylanase targets a xylan-rich fiber with food and feed-grade precision, cutting viscosity and freeing fermentable sugars. Source food and feed-grade Xylanase enzyme powder direct from the manufacturer from 1 kilogram. Visit enzymes.bio